How to check your Overstock credit card balance and statements. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to do that. So if you hold the Overstock MasterCard, you can easily monitor your balance and view statements anytime you're online. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and search for Overstock credit card. And then from here you can just log into overstock.accountonline.com. Just search for this and then click on the first link that you see here. Now once you see it, you can find the official account portal powered by City Retail Services. Tap on the account icon at the top right corner. And then from here, just make sure to provide your email address. Tap on continue. And from here, you could just log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate your way to your account dashboard where you'll see your current balance and available credits. And once you find the recent transactions, you can check your statements. Go to the statements or documents section on your account. And once you have done that, you can also enroll for a paperless statement and email alerts to stay up to date. And if you need to make any payments, you can click on the Make Payment option from the main menu and enter your bank information. You can choose the payment amount and date and submit. You can schedule one-time or recurring payments for inconvenience as well. Now, after you've done that, you could easily find your credit card balance as well as statements on Overstock. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.